Hello from Tokyo. Today I'm making ramen eggs. To start off, pierce the shells of your eggs with a needle. This is to ensure that you have a nicely shaped egg. Next, fill a saucepan full of water and bring it to the boil. When the water's reached boiling point, gently add your eggs and boil them for 6 minutes and 30 seconds exactly. And when the 6 minutes and 30 seconds are up, place your eggs into an ice bath and let them rest there for 10 minutes. And if you follow these instructions exactly, you will have super gooey and jammy yolks that are absolutely delicious. When your eggs have cooled down, it's time to peel them. And to ensure your eggs are in perfect condition, use water and take your time because it's not a race. When the eggs are peeled, it's time to make the tare, aka the marinade. To make the tare, pour all of the ingredients into a microwave-safe jug or bowl and microwave it for 90 seconds. Oh, and before you put it in, give it a wee shake to make sure that everything's incorporated. And after 90 seconds, it should look like this. Kind of the same, but slightly thicker. Now, as it's still hot, I'm going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to add it to my eggs. Okay, now the tare's done, it's time to prep the eggs. Place your eggs into a Ziploc bag and then put it into a container just like this. Now it's time to pour in the tare, aka the marinade. Remove as much air as you can, then seal the bag. Once they're in, seal up the container, then put them in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. And here's a wee bit of advice. To avoid blemishes, rearrange the eggs every couple of hours. And once they're rearranged and nicely submerged in the tare, put them back into the refrigerator. Repeat this procedure for 6 hours and then you're done. And when those 6 hours are up, your eggs should look like this. Oh, jammy yolk. That's a good sign. Okay, this is the moment of truth. What do they look like? And they look awesome. Super gooey and super jammy. Absolutely perfect. And how do they taste? Well, they taste fabulous. No surprises there. They look sensational and they taste sensational. How about that? So guys, this is what your egg will look like after 6 hours in the tare. You can of course leave it in the tare for 12 or 24 hours, but of course the yolk will change in texture. Anyway, play around with it and have some fun because these are awesome. Definitely give them a go. Thank you for watching on the Bento Buster and I'll see you next time. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, you can always like and subscribe. If you want, that'd be much appreciated. Thank you.